Hey, I'm Julieta, and today I'll walk through the basic structure and key features of Synaplan. Before you can get started on web.synaplan.com, you'll first have to register or log in. You can use your Google account or just your personal email. It's quick and easy. Once you have successfully logged in, you will see the main interface of Synaplan. The interface is divided into 4 sections. In the center, you can see the main window, which is currently displaying Synaplan's chat function. At the top, there is a navigation bar where you can switch between dark mode and light mode, change the language, and toggle between easy and advanced mode. On the left side, you will find the main menu, which allows you to control and select all Synaplan features, as well as manage the chat widgets. At the bottom, you can see the account that is currently logged in. Now I will explain the key features and how they work. Let's start by selecting the current LLM, the AI that will respond to you when using the chat function. First, click on AI config, then select AI models. This will take you to a page where you can define which AI models should be used in specific situations, such as the main AI or the AI used for analyzing files, and much more. With this powerful feature, you can tailor the AI behavior and make the responses more accurate based on your individual needs. With this in place, let's now take a look at how you can upload RAG files. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. These RAG files provide the AI with additional context-specific knowledge, making the responses more accurate and precise. But how do you upload these files? First, go to Files in RAG and select File Manager. You will then see a large window where you can upload your RAG files. Simply select a file, assign a group keyword, and then click Upload and Process Files. That's it. But that's not all. If you go on Statistics and scroll further down, you'll find your Recent Activity section. Here, everything is clearly documented, giving you detailed insights into your recent conversations. If you want to continue a previous session, click on Chat and simply open the conversation and select the session you'd like to resume. Now let's move on to the most powerful feature, memories. When you mention personal preferences like liking pasta, Synaplan automatically saves this information to your personal memory. This allows LLMs to deliver more personalized and accurate responses over time simply by getting to know you better. You can view and manage your memories at any time by clicking on your profile and selecting Memories. For now, I hope this gave you a brief overview of how Synaplan works and how to use its features effectively. If you'd like to learn more about specific topics, leave a follow to get notified about upcoming updates. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.